Hello everybody, Root Beer here with question number 10 on the 2000 Cayley paper. Okay, so question number 10 on the grade 10 paper. Let's take a look at it. Alright, so what does it say? The ages of 3 contestants in the Cayley contest are 15 years and 9 months, 16 years and 1 month, and 15 years and 8 months. Their average age is... Okay. So, to compute an average, we need to add up each of the terms. So 15 years and 9 months, plus 16 years and 1 month, plus 15 years and 8 months. And then we need to divide by, well, how many things did we add up? So we added up 3 of them, so we'll end up dividing by 3. The problem is, it's not very easy to add up 15 years, 9 months, and 16 years and 1 month. I mean, what do? It'd be 31 years and 10 months, and then when we add on the 8 months, then it becomes 18 months, but there's 12 months in a year, so it rolls over to 6 months, and you can do it that way. You really can. There are 12 months in a year, so that's something we did want to do. That's a perfectly interesting way. I mean, there's only 3 numbers, or 3 terms to add up, so you can totally do it that way. What I'm going to show you is another way. So the other possibilities, we could convert everything into years, which I think I did on the Pascal contest. And once everything's in years, it's very easy to add them up. You'll have 15 years and 9/12 of a year. So you can add them all up and then divide by 3, and then you'll convert that expression back to years and months. What I'm going to do on this video is I'm going to actually convert everything into months. See how that goes. And so there's 12 months in a year, so 15 years becomes, what is it? I think 180 months. Yeah, 180 months. And so we'll get a bunch of months. We'll have everything in terms of months. We'll divide by 3, and then we'll convert that back to years and months. So, 15 years and 9 months. Well, that becomes 180 months plus 9 months. So that's 189 months. Okay? 12 months in a year, so every year becomes a month. 15 years becomes 180 months. And then we have 16 years and 1 month. Okay, well, 16 times 12, that's 192 months. Plus 1 month. So that's 193 months. Okay. And what's the last one? It was 15 years and 8 months. Okay. So I hope there's a question like this on the format for this year so I can illustrate the third way. Because as I said, I did, on the Pascal, I'm pretty sure I converted to years first. So this will be 180 months plus 8 months. 188 months. So now we're converting to months, and maybe it'd be a nice thing to do to see what it's like just to keep it as years and months and see if it's easier to do it that way. So to compute an average, we need to add up each of the terms and divide by 3. Well, what's the sums here? So 193 plus 188 plus 189. So we're going to get 570 months divided by 3. Okay. Well, 570 months divided by 3, well, what's that? That's 190 months. Okay. That's great. So we know that whatever it is, the average age is 190 months. Now, what is that in terms of years? So we want to convert years. Well, we know that there are 12 months in a year. So to get a rough idea of how many years there are, let's 12 months per year. So we can divide by this. And we get roughly, so we get 15.83 years. So we know it's going to be 15 years and something. So 15 years and some months, X months. And that's going to be 180 months plus X months. And we know that that's equal to 190 months. Pretty quick to see that X is 190 minus 180, which is 10. So we got 15 years and 10 months as our final answer. Okay. So what did I do here? I know I have 12 months in a year, and I know the total expression for how old the average age is in months. So just to get a rough idea of how many years there are, I know there's going to be 15 years and some change. I want to know how much that is, so I put in a dummy variable. I let X be the number of other months they are past 15 years old. And then I do just as I did before, I convert that into a total expression in terms of months. But I know what it's going to turn out to be. It turns out to be 190 months. Doing that, I can solve for X. X is how many months extra they are older over 15. Once I find X is 10, I know that the average age is 15 years and 10 months. Okay, I would say that went a little faster than it did on the Pascal, if I'm remembering correctly. And so we get an answer of C. All right. And that's question number 10 on the 2000 Cayley. Join me in the next video for question number 11, and I will see you guys then. And as usual, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.